over. We taking over. Yeah. L train. I'm your neighbor. Most of us won't make it. Most. This is nothing. Driving fast. Do it until you made it. Pausing off, fighting to the end. The last man standing, fighting to the end. Be ready for the stadium, the auditorium, the arena play. Look, I am the train to make this last stand. This is my last statement. A change in the game. Yeah, changing the rap. Not sure if you're getting me. Don't understand if you got it, you better get it. I got it, I already dotted it. Look, I gotta be survival of the fittest. I am trapped inside your mind. This is not the craziest, but this is the survival of the craziest. Fighting to the end. Pausing off. Fighting to the end. I am the last man standing. I am the train. Working every day for the man. Yeah. Every day I work for something. I work harder than anything anybody wanna get the most. Till the least is to get closest. They don't even get me, they don't even understand the last man standing at the fucking plan. I never had the plan, but that's the first man that stand up for this statement. Make another statement. We taking over for the summer. I am the train, making the last statement. Yeah. I am the man who's been trained in his mind to go off on you, ho. Yeah. But I ain't trying to go there. They might try to drive the man insane. One shot to the bullet. They don't know how fast it's coming to your chest or it might go to your head. Concussions for you. Last man, understanding nothing but just the driving fast and passing. In the morning, you can't arrive faster, quicker. We don't know how to get the last man standing, I know. More to combat flow. So come back to the flow, I just know I do it. Just like the most of us, we wanna grow. But I'm the man driving you insane off the tracks. I am the man